Hello, what's up, family? I hope you are all doing good. Today, we need to talk about a very important conversation happening right now in America. Haitians are stepping forward and checking Latinos on how they view Black Americans, and the message is clear. Black Americans should never bow down, never be humble, and never shrink themselves in this society. So, guys, I am just going to roll these clips. I'll be back with more commentaries. Stay tuned and kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
I, as a Haitian American, now truly understand the stance of so many Black Americans, so many foundationally Black Americans, as far as no longer wanting to be humble. I understand them no longer wanting to give into appeasement behavior. And it's not that these people aren't humble. They're tired of the world constantly trying to humble them. Just listen to how this sounds. Imagine being the start of a movement, a start of a community, yet still having to prove to people in that community why you deserve to be there, why you deserve to be a part of it, why you deserve to be accepted. Imagine your people being the start of whatever kind of influence, other people benefiting from said influence, just to turn around and tell you that your people didn't create it, or they try to discredit or diminish the impact of the influence. Try to say that, yeah, it may have started there, but we took it and turned it into this and twisted it into that, and now we made it our own. What? Anything to not give your people their due respect. Haiti is the first independent Caribbean country, yet has just now started getting included in the Caribbean spaces. How is that possible when we started it? How is that possible when we're the start? The Caribbean Music Awards that was held literally on Friday took place in damn near little Haiti in Brooklyn. Yet all Haiti got was an honorable mention. Y'all been celebrating Zouk. Y'all been celebrating Zouk. Anytime a Zouk song comes on, y'all are quick to let any Haitian know, oh no, that's not compa, that's Zouk. But Zouk is a subgenre of compa. It comes from compa. Martinique wouldn't have that genre if it didn't start in Haiti with compa, just like all of the rest of the soca islands would not have soca if it did not start and originate in Trinidad. But y'all understand that. Haiti is the first Latino country, the first independent Latino country that went on to help Mexico, Venezuela, DR, Peru, Ecuador, Panama get their independence, yet we're just now being recognized as a Latino country. We're now being recognized as a Latino country. We're now being accepted in a community we started. Haiti is the first independent Black republic in the world. In the world. Okay? In order for other parts of the world to know their history, they have to learn about Haitian history. For a lot of countries, in order for you to begin to learn the beginning of your country, you have to learn about mine. Because Haitian history is world history. The impact of the Haitian Revolution still impacts the world today. Today. Spain Spanish is the standard Spanish. France French is the standard French. England English is the standard English. But when Haitians say that Haitian Creole is the standard French-based Creole, y'all want to say, no, we didn't get the Creole language from you. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Y'all need to go and educate yourselves. Okay? Although Saint-Domingue was not France's first territory, that was Quebec, Canada. That was the first territory that they imported African slaves to. The first set of African slaves that were imported by France was sent to Saint-Domingue. It was those first African slaves that started creating the French-based Creole that we know today, from them trying to learn French from their colonizers while still keeping the native tongue they came with. It was because of the natural resources that Haiti had that France was able to make so much fucking money, to the point where they started acquiring other territories. In them acquiring other territories, they started importing already conditioned slaves from Saint-Domingue to train the new slaves, thus spreading the Creole language, thus bringing it to the other French territories. French-based Creole started with Haiti. Look for your fucking self. The earliest recognized French-based Creole emerged from the French colonies in the Caribbean in the late 17th and 18th century, with Haitian Creole being the prominent. It started with us. And before you be like, oh, it's AI, it's probably Wikipedia, go and look for yourself. Here's the fucking sources. Here are the sources. Y'all gonna tell me that the encyclopedia is wrong? Is that what you're gonna tell me? More sources. More fucking sources. Y'all gonna tell me that they all wrong too? The way that you people talk about Haiti, the way that Haiti is talked about, the way that Haitians are talked about, calling us poor, calling it the poorest country in the Caribbean. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about why that is, okay? Because first of all, you're talking about the country that is nicknamed Le Pearl des Antilles. That is the Pearl of the Antilles. The reason why I got that nickname is because of the wealth that it had through its natural resources, okay? Haitian iridium, Haitian vetiver. Had it not been for the foreign sabotage, the foreign corruption, the foreign exploitation of Haiti, y'all really think that Haiti would be in the position that it is today? You think that my people don't know how to take care of the country they fought for? The country that they bled to have, to claim? You think that we can't take care of our own? Do you really think that? Haiti was the safest country to go and visit in the 80s. In the 80s. That was not too long ago. The state that Haiti is in now is because of a lot of all of these foreign countries evading it and corrupting it. That's why. The fact that the Haitians and the Haitian Revolution has contributed so much to the world, where it still impacts it to this day. The fact that you guys are able to get away with disrespecting us the way that you do is fucking crazy. The fact that you're able to spread such vicious fucking rumors about us and it actually is successful in being spread is disgusting. Y'all was able to get away with a fucking rumor that Haitians had AIDS in the 90s. Just last year during November's elections, y'all was able to get away with the rumor that Haitian people eat cats. Cats. And had it not been for my people, a lot of you still wouldn't be fucking free. And it just goes to show how deep the xenophobia, the prejudice against Haitian people runs with you guys. It just goes to show, because how dare you? How dare you talk down on a group of people that fought a war for 13 years so other people could be free? How dare you talk down on the group of people that made it possible for there to be a rebellion? Had Haiti failed, had the Haitian Revolution failed, it would have been used as an example to keep everybody oppressed. But because it was successful, it showed so many other countries that you can rebel and you can successfully rebel to the point where you guys started doing it. You started following suit. My people went against the greatest, the strongest military army of that time and won. And y'all talk so poorly of us. Then a lot of you guys have the nerve to open up your mouths and say that Haitians and Haiti is excluded or isolated because they want to be. How the fuck are we isolated from a community that we started? How the fuck are we isolated from a community that we started? If Haiti didn't become the first freed Caribbean country, there would be no Caribbean. If Haiti wasn't the first Latino country to be free, there wouldn't be no Latino countries. So how the fuck are we excluded from communities we started? Make it make sense. Y'all excluded us out of a community that we started, that it was based off of our hard work that you're able to benefit off of. So fuck being humble. When you know that your people's contributions impact the world today, still? The fuck is you being humble for? There's some facts you just can't fucking argue with. You just can't. Okay? Like how Jamaica is the more popular known Caribbean island. It is what it is. Even though there's carnival everywhere. Guess which one is more known? Trinidad. It is what it fucking is. It also started there. It is what it fucking is. Soca started there. You can't take that away from them. Same thing with Jab. Even though Jab is celebrated everywhere. Y'all know Grenada for it. You can't take away people's hard work. You can't take away nations' contributions. You cannot do that, nations. You can't do it. Same thing goes with Haiti. So fuck am I being humble for? And I encourage all Haitian Americans, all foundationally black Americans, you know what the fuck your people did. You know what the fuck your people and their history is. Why are we being humble? Why? For what? For what? Acceptance in spaces that we created? Fuck you. So moving forward, I'm only rocking with those that's rocking with me. If my presence, for me to be around you, it calls for me having to shrink myself, fuck you.
Yeah, guys, before we roll the next clip, let's get it clear that this is a heated conversation and we are getting it all here, where the Latinos in America are getting schooled by these Haitians on history, culture, and the struggles of Black Americans. Haitians remind the community that Black Americans should never bow down, be humble, or shrink themselves for anyone because their strength, legacy, and contributions speak louder than words. So this discussion is shedding light on the ongoing dynamics between different groups in America and why respect, unity, and truth-telling are non-negotiable. So guys, watch guys as history, pride, and hard truths collide in this unapologetic breakdown. Yeah, so let's get into this last remaining clip, then we will break all this down.
So let me get this straight. You fight your way out of slavery. You beat the same European empire that's colonized half the planet. And somehow you're the one that ends up in debt? Make it make sense. But unfortunately, that's what happened to Haiti. The first free black republic. The first time enslaved people flipped the table, burnt the plantation, and said, nah, we're free now. In France, France had the audacity to demand reparations, not for the people they enslaved, but for the lost property, aka the enslaved people they thought they owned. In 1825, France sent warships and basically said, pay us, or we'll come take it all back. And Haiti had no choice but to agree. They agreed to pay 150 million francs, which is billions in today's money, to their former enslavers, all for winning their own freedom. Haiti was forced to take out loans from French banks just to pay the people that brutalized them. And it took them over 120 years to pay it off. So while France got richer, Haiti was bled dry. So no, Haiti isn't poor because of a moral failing. That poverty was manufactured. That debt was extortion. And that legacy of struggle was engineered. The only country to successfully free itself from slavery was punished for daring to do so without permission. And we still call them unstable? No, they're not unstable. They're surviving something that no country should have had to pay for in the first place.
Yeah, guys, we have come to the conclusion of this video, and we have seen in the clips, like in the first clip of the sister who was talking, this sister, yeah, we give credit to her that Mercury live, and so this Haitian American sister is trying to understand and defend the Black Americans, because a lot of people have the they have this ignorance to believe that the American media propaganda, people have this ignorance to believe the American media propaganda about Black Americans without looking at the history and facts. And the United States is only great because of Black America, and that is a fact. Yes, so what we can say is that for years we've seen tension between different communities in America, and also, you know, Latinos, Haitians, and Black Americans all share the struggle of being minorities in a system built on white supremacy. But let's be real, there has always been an effort by some groups to look down on Black Americans, even though it's Black Americans who built the foundation of America. And Haitians, our Haitian sisters are reminding the Latinos that history cannot be erased. Haiti was the first free Black republic, defeating European powers and inspiring freedom movements worldwide. Black Americans, through slavery, Jim Crow, and the civil rights struggle, created the blueprint for freedom in the United States. So when some Latinos try to demand humility from Black Americans, Haitians are saying, hold up, Black Americans don't owe anyone humility. What they deserve is respect. And the warning from Haitians is simple. Black Americans should never bow down to anyone. You don't humble yourself to people who wouldn't even be in America enjoying rights if it wasn't for the sacrifices of Black Americans. And guys, every migrant community, Latinos included, is standing on the shoulders of Black struggle. Humility is not the answer. Strength, pride, and standing tall are what is required. So if Black Americans are humble, history shows other groups will step in, take the culture, reap the benefits, and then pretend Black folks didn't lead the way. That's why Haitians are telling their brothers and sisters, do not shrink yourself. Do not beg for respect. Demand it. And at the end of the day, this is not about division. It's about truth. It's about respect. And also respect is earned, and Black Americans have more than earned it. So Haitians are making it clear that Latinos and other groups must recognize the foundation and contributions of Black people in America. So to Black Americans and all other minority groups, never bow down to anyone. Never be humble in a world that tries to erase your legacy. Stand tall, stand proud, and never forget that Black America is the heart of America. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. Of course, all credit belongs to the original creators of the video, and this video is meant for educational purposes, commentary purposes, and also entertainment purposes as well. So thank you so much. All credit belongs to the original creators of the video. Have a nice time. Be blessed. Yeah, thank you so much. Stay tuned.